Oh, look, an old carriage. No, focus on the engine and the other carriages. Bring it in.
Come on, quickly, for the turn.
God, I hate my shaky hands.
Someone's head's moving the way of my shot.
Dun dun dun. I hate it when I look away from the screen for 20 seconds and then I lose camera position. Personally, I thought the trains would have been going into the dock behind us.
Goods yard.
The goods yard, yeah. And they'd have shunted the trucks elsewhere. Whee! Oh, that's a lovely smell.
That is such a nice loco.
Ah, that it is. That it is indeed.
Platform number 2 is the Sheffield Park. This train departs at 1:30.
Golden Arrow. The lovely Mark 1 green coaches. I think they're Mark 1s. You can never tell.
And that's how people most
I wonder where Baxter's got. Maybe he's returned to Sheffield Park, or
He could have gone back to Sheffield Park to get some coal.
possibly, or he's in the back sidings. There's a traction engine over there. Brilliant. Damn, and I didn't get it on camera because I did that thing where I look away for 20 seconds and it drifts off.
There it is. He really takes care of that.
Oh, there it is.
Yes, that's it.
That's it. That's a little bit wetted on wheel. That's the new one. Yes.
This is the part where I acted all stupid. That was Elliot there, he was... and then look.
No, Doris is owned by
It was worth it though, so it looks stupid just for a laugh.
Yeah. That's a lot of wood. Yeah. And that's Anna Baxter here.
I got a truck of wood, I got a truck of wood.
Oh, there he is. He is up the end of the sidings.
Quickly.
There he is. Good old Baxter.
I could have had my chance, but the cap was closed.
That was daft.
It loaded just in time, and then the lens cap was closed.
Oh well. I must make sure I get some more pictures and stuff because I want to submit them to the Bluebell Railway site. Then I put a link to them. You know, if you send them a link to you.
I've actually got the president of it at the station, or just coming out of Lewis Station with a boat as well. That's really coming on, hasn't it?
It's Fenchurch.
Fenchurch, and that will probably be Birchgrove. No, wouldn't be. Oh no, it's Stepney!
I'm here.
Yeah, it's not going to be too low.
Oh, cobblers, we've missed the announcement. No, there's a gap there. That's probably booked for special visitors. Damn it. Ah. Yes. Oh.
stayed up at the rear coach on the train.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Well, at 2 o'clock now. Will be off. Reenactment of the first train. Don't they can get Bluebell going? Oh well.
No, Oliver 11 GWR is not special needs, if you're wondering.
He's going to keep filming until he goes.
How long the blasted midget gets moving?
We'll cheer as he goes past, I think. Okay, I've not fulfilled my dream of riding behind Stepney, but I've seen the... I just wish I had a steadier hand or an actual tripod. Bye, Stepney, for now. Oh wow.
I'd love to get one of those. The thing is, I haven't got money to spare.
Same. Gauge 1 is good.
Or an A3.
I think that's an A3. The restored, the scrapped. Aww.
I'd like it if someone was able to make one of Beck's.
Yeah. There's a Wallace in that brake van. One of the old figures that you get from... you used to get in the soap.
Okay, yeah.
This is actually the gauge that they filmed Thomas on, gauge 1.
Is it?
Yeah. Or used to film it on.
Now we've gone CGI.
I saw you in the field just south of Halstead. Did you see me waving? I was in the southwestern coach behind the engines. Yeah. I spotted you there.
Right, so that one there.
Clunk.
That's a favourite engine. Around the yard.
Ah, it's Camelot's bogey then. Ooh, that was squeaky.
Are you done? Meeting each other and they're trying to find out that Gala wants to find out in the first it says, are you done?
Should we go and do the shed tour or the carriage?
Could do. We go up to Kingscote, I think, and then we'll get the train along the extension, if you still want to do that. Oh, we're off. Well, maybe that train is going. I'm not disappointed. I just thought Stepney would have been doing the one along the extension, the first engine on the railway to do the first runs on the new line.
Yeah, that should be how it is really.
Yeah. Maybe it'll pull the first official passenger train then.
Oh, look at all the ashes coming through.
Yeah.
I put the other thing in there too.
Do not sit on this table. Really?
I wonder why.
Not that you could sit on it really, it's a bit thin.
I don't know why, but earlier somehow I thought I saw new control 1.
Yeah?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was him or not though.
Yeah.
Is this a U-class that's running now or?
It's the U-class and the E4. Double heading. I'm pretty impressed with that.
A bit closer and get out.
Definitely.